I've placed a few assets on the CreateStudio canvas. If you look over to the project setting on the right, you will notice two settings, Guidelines and Snapping. They are further divided into Canvas and Timeline. Let's take a look at the timeline first. With Guidelines set to On, you will notice that a blue line occurs when different track items align with each other. If Snapping is turned on as well, the edges will snap together when they are close, as shown. Let's turn Snapping off. What you will see is that although you still see the blue guideline, the two edges do not snap together. This gives you more freedom where to place items in the timeline. If we turn the guidelines off, the blue line will not appear. This is similar to the canvas. The guideline here is purple. Here, alignment occurs to the edges of the item's containment box. So for example, this character will not snap directly to an item as its content box is much larger than the character himself. Guidelines and snapping help to align items better. Turning off snapping allows more freedom of movement. You may want the guidelines turned off if there are many items on screen. Items can be aligned to the page or to each other, either by the edges or centered. Guidelines and snapping work well with the positional icons, which are covered in another video, to help make the placement of your video assets more precise.